All right, so now that you got the duck song down really, really well, now we're going to practice with the sun ball. So I'm going to throw one of these balls at you, and then all I want you to do is bring your bottom down and duck. Now, when we duck, do we look down or do we look straight ahead? Awesome. So everybody get in your ready stance, hands by your ears. Everybody go, "Hi-ya!" Nice. Ready, set, go. Good job. Nice. Good. Keep going. Go on. Let me hear you yell, "Hi-ya!" Awesome job. High five.